So this is the international departure. Sawadee krap. A good afternoon. It is Sunday afternoon and we are here in the Krabi province in front of the Krabi International Airport. And you can see the Air Asia plane over there is about to leave. And the reason that we're here is because we just came from a nice holiday on Koh Lanta island and we are on our way back to Bangkok. And about 2 years ago they opened this new international terminal. And I just wanted to give an update, show you guys how it looks. So we are here at the international departures. It's always nice to see brand new projects KAB in Thailand. Down here you have the arrival halls, which I will show you in a little bit. This is the most friendly guard in Thailand. Hello, Sawadee krap. So let me show you how it looks on the inside. So this is the international departure, and obviously I've never been in there because we are only flying domestic going back to Bangkok. As you can see, it's a big open hall, very big difference from the old Krabi Airport. In 2017, Krabi Airport was just too packed. They could normally only handle 3 million visitors and they had 4.7 million. So that's why they decided to change the airport, make a new terminal, and now they can handle around 8 million passengers a year. This takes off the pressure of the airport. So we need to find the check-in desk for Lion Air because we're flying with Lion Air here. We came a couple of days ago with Vietjet, and Vietjet flies from Suvarnabhumi Airport. Lion Air flies from Don Muang, and this is the domestic departures. So we come to this airport roughly once a year, and this is the gateway to the Krabi province. And the Krabi province means Koh Phi, Koh Lanta, Ao Nang, Railay Beach. There's plenty of cool stuff to do. If you want to go to Hong Island, I can recommend to come here to Krabi as well. A new terminal also means there are more possibilities for food. So there are different cafes here. The last time we were here was about a year ago and there were no lounges, and I think now there is a Thai silk lounge here, and if it's here we're gonna go and check it out and I will show you how it looks. So there's a food court here with a few different restaurants. The Koh Hop Bar, Burger King. You can get your refreshments and your food before you travel. And we're having Wham in the background with Last Christmas. So obviously we are using the departure hall now, but let me bring you downstairs where the arrival hall is. We are here at the arrival hall. As you can see, you have all the car companies here. Then the tour companies. From here you can get the minivans, the taxis to the island. We just took the taxi to Koh Lanta a couple of days ago, and there's also a currency exchange if you want to exchange your money. I'm not sure about Krabi. I know that in Bangkok it's better to exchange in the city. Yeah, this is a very big difference with the old terminal and with the old airport. Here are a couple more car companies. True Leasing. I didn't know that True was doing car leasings as well. That's interesting. Here's a 108 shop. Cafe Amazon. Basically Amazon is the Starbucks of Thailand. Same good coffee, but a lot cheaper. This is the check-in for AirAsia and Scoot. Here AirAsia also has the self-check-in. Because we already did the self-check-in, we have our boarding passes in our phone, so let's go inside of the terminal. So we're here at the departure area. Actually, it looks pretty cool in here. Different restaurants in here, so let's see if there is a lounge. So this is the domestic departure, and then of course you have the international departure on the other side. And when you arrive, you actually walk through here between the two. There's a gate 7 in here. There's a whole other shopping area actually. I didn't expect that in here. This is not ready yet. I think this is going to be in the future. I'm exploring the whole airport now. So this is gate 7. Not sure why that is inside here. So the AirAsia flight here just boarded, and across the aisle here you have the international departures, and again you have these nice wooden trees in there. Our plane is waiting. We're flying with the Thai Lion Air. We are on our way to Bangkok. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new airport in Krabi. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.